Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your Huawei MatePad Pro, for the first you have to go for the app gallery and the Play Store and get application name Phone Clone. If you do, just open it on the both devices. This is the old phone on the Android, and this is the new phone on your MatePad. Right now we have to select the old phone type, and this one is Huawei also, so select Huawei. And as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can input the password, but also we can scan the QR code. So I'm going to scan the code. Right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and if you want to send everything from this Android smartphone to your MatePad, just select all of these icons and tap on the start. But in my case, I'm going to unselect. Then I will move, for the example, for the music, and I will go right here and I will pick these two songs. Then I'm tap on the OK, one more time, click on the transfer, and right now we have to input your log method. And it's, as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can check how it works and where are these songs. So it will be probably in the audio. And yes, right here we can find the files that we sent from our Android smartphone to Huawei MatePad Pro. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.